Okutomukona handagano hagati y'ekitongore ky'okurwanya oburwenguzi omu ihanga ekya Inspectorate of Government hamwe n'ebitongore bya banyekundiire abeehireyo kurwanya oburwenguzi kwakurwa omuhwezi wa karishorisho wa government Dr. Patricia Achan Okurya ahari gonga omu rurembo Mbarara.
The Inspectorate of Government recognizes the roles of CSOs in the fight against corruption, and that's why we have always signed these MOUs.
The fact that we've worked with most of you before and we've not had issues, or the fact that we've gone through this vetting process, I want to believe that we are going to continue doing a very good job, and we shall not have issues of automatic termination arising from misconduct, dishonesty, or issues of that kind.
Omuhwezi wa karishorisho wa government Dr. Patricia Achan Okurya owabari omugenyi mukuru yagira ngu nk'ekitongore beehireyo kukwatanisa n'ebitongore ebi okurwanisa enguzi.
I want to recognize your efforts and assure you that the Inspectorate of Government holds you dearly, and I want to reaffirm my commitment to this partnership, and as we join hands to eliminate and foster the elimination of corruption, abuse of authority and public office, we need to be together, because in unity we shall make great progress.
Yagira ngu enkoragana egi neetagisa ebitongore b'okugenderaho amazima n'obwesugwa omu murimo gubarabe nibakora.
But I want to use this opportunity to re-echo issues to do with professionalism, integrity, impartiality, gender equity as core values with which you should strive to execute your part.
Problem eriho empango no kugira ngo speed yo taking action na report says team pango abukuba omuntu yakweza na report mu January kizo mu kwamka kuza kuzovinga complete yeye nkiretera abantu bango mu Mbarara mu reporting
kati abantu abasinga balopa bulopi nene berabira nti bwino omuzuro omuntu ala mu kimu koti kyo kinnya kwetekisa tuba aba monitors fe tuyina mu renzori tuchikoze nabo tuba tutte through kyebayita evidence information. How do you collect that data? Ojukwata otya kati olaba emisango gyaffe gisinga batugiwa IGG bagitwala mangu kubanga tubeera tubawadde already ki bwino n'enkubo lye basobola nabo okwongerako naye abantu abasinga baloopa naye nga tebateddeyo kintu kyonna kiraga nti waliwo ekibaddewo kale babeera nga bakoze wolokoso just.
Ebitongore mwenda nibyo byatumukoona handagaano egi ebiri kukolera omu district 15 eziri kutuurwamu empungi kandi eziri kuherwaho enkora ya Dr. Deep. Ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.